welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are working with Tinashe Hair. This is everything that came in my package. And this is the wig. They sent me out their 5x6 lace closure wig in a 22-inch. The texture I got was a deep wave, and I believe the density was 180% density. It is their pre-cut glueless wig, so when you get this, you don't have to do anything cutting wise to the lace. But I did go in and bleach my knots. And I did customize the hairline some, but you don't have to because it does come somewhat pre-plucked. But in my opinion, I would pluck it some just to give it a little more of a natural look. And the cap is also a one of those breathable caps. So if you sweat a lot on your scalp, or if you like to get to your scalp, like if you want to oil your scalp, or even if you want to itch your scalp, this is a good wig for you. So I went ahead and defined my curls with the wig off of my head. That way it can be nice and dry when I put it on and easy to install. Like I wanted the install to be literally within like 5 minutes. So I did everything off of my head. All I used was some water and some lot of body mousse to define the curls. All right, so here I am applying the wig, y'all, and literally as you can see, like, it was that easy to put this wig on. I did not use any glue. I did not use any hairspray to adhere this wig. I let the wig do what it was intended to do, and that was for it to be worn glueless. So all I did was I did put a little bit of makeup on the bottom of the lace so it could blend with my skin some more. I did need to do that. But and I put some on top, as you can see. But other than that, y'all, that was it. Like, is that bananas or what? Like, super easy install. Like, this video was so easy. I was trying to see, like, okay, is there anything else I need to do? But no, I did fluff out my curls, of course. Right here I'm just adding a little bit of shine just to shine it up some. But y'all, this was it. Just fluffed out my curls, and boom, bam, I was ready to go out of the door. So if you're looking for an easy glueless wig that you can just you can fix it up real quick and then have it ready to put on and go, like, this is for you. And because I don't have to add any hairspray or glue to adhere this wig, like, I could literally take this off tonight and put it back on in the morning, like, literally like clothes. Like, that's love. That's love. Like, y'all, the lace was given. It was nice and thin. I really enjoyed this wig. I'm not gonna lie. So big shout out to Tinashe Hair for letting me try out this wig and for having this wig. Like, it's one of those ones that I think if you're a beginner, or you want a wig and you like your hair you want something easy, so you can be given, but you just don't be having time for all the extra stuff, like, this is the wig for you. This is the wig for you. So yeah, y'all, that's all I have to say. The hair was soft. I didn't get much shedding. The only shedding that I got was when I first got it and combed out the curls, and then when I plucked the hairline. Other than that, it's very minimal shedding, and the hair is nice and soft. And I love the deep wave curls on this wig. Very, very pretty. So yeah, y'all, I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the clips. Again, thank you to Tinashe Hair. And I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. And I'm going to talk to you guys later.